Hey guys, this is Deekshita. Today we are going to see one of the topic in data mining and data warehouse, and we are seeing about multi-tier architecture. Multi-tier architecture is a software architecture in which different software components organized in layers provide dedicated functionality. It means different layers provide different operations or different functions. In data warehouse, there are three tier architectures. There are top tier, middle tier, and bottom tier. This is multi-tier architecture, and here in the top layer it has front-end tools like query, reporting, analysis, and data mining. And the middle tier contains OLAP server, that is online analytical processing server. And in bottom tier we have data warehouse, data marts, monitoring, administration, metadata repository. And here at the bottom we have external resources and operational databases. In the bottom tier data warehouse server, the data warehouse server fetch only relevant information based on the data mining request. Data is fed into the bottom tier by some backend tools and utilities. The backend tools and utilities perform data cleaning, data extraction, data transformation, load, refresh, and update data warehouse. Like cleaning the data and extracting the data which is useful, and transforming the data and loading and refreshing and updating the data warehouse are done in the bottom tier. The data is extracted using the application program interface known as gateways. The gateway is supported by the underlying DBMS and allows the client programs to generate SQL code to be executed at the server. This tier contains metadata repository which stores the information about the data warehouse and its contents. The bottom tier contains data warehouse, metadata repository, data marts, monitoring, and administration. Data warehouse. It is an optimized of operational database, contains only relevant information, and provides fast access of the data. Data warehousing provides architectures and tools for business executives to systematically organize and use their data to make strategic decisions. The key features of data warehouse are subject oriented, integrated, time variant, non volatile. Metadata repository. The metadata itself defines a data within the data. It figures out what is available in the data warehouse. It contains the structure of the data warehouse, data names and its definitions, stores of extracted data, algorithm used for data cleaning purpose, like example gateways, sequence of transformations applied on data, data related to system performance. Data marts. The subset of the data warehouse contains only small slices of the data warehouse. For example, data pertaining to a single department. There are two types of data marts. They are dependent and independent. The dependent data marts draw the data from the central data warehouse that is already been created, and in independent data marts, in contrast, it is built by drawing the data directly from the operational or external sources of data or both. Hybrid data marts can draw the data from the operational databases or operational data warehouse. Monitoring and administration. Here we have data refreshment, data source synchronization, disaster recovery, managing access control and security, manage data growth, database performance, controlling the number or range of queries, limiting the size of the data warehouse. Middle tier. It contains OLAP servers. OLAP stands for Online Analytical Processing Server. The middle tier acts as an intermediary component between the top tier and the data repository, that is, between the top tier and the bottom tier, respectively. From the user standpoint, the middle tier gives the idea about the conceptual look of the database. Like middle tier helps the user to understand the conceptual outlook of the database. It is an OLAP server that is typically implemented using either relational OLAP model or multidimensional OLAP model or hybrid OLAP model. Relational OLAP model represents the data in the relational tables in the form of relational tables, whereas multidimensional model presents the data in the array based on the structure, means that map directly to a cube array structure. Hybrid OLAP model, when the repository contains both the relational database management system and multidimensional database management system, HOLAP is the best solution for smooth functional flow between the database systems. Hybrid OLAP allows storing the data in both relational and multidimensional top and formats. Top tier front end tools, where the bottom tier has the back end tools, whereas the top tier has the front end tools. It is the front end client layer. Query and reporting tools. Reporting tools, production reporting tools, report writers. Managed query tools, point and client creation of SQL used in customer mailing list. Analysis tools, prepares charts based on the analysis. It prepares the charts and graphs like based on that the customer will be able to take strategic decisions. Data mining tools, mining knowledge, discovering hidden piece of information, new correlations, useful patterns. Top tier is nothing but it is a front end layer, that is the user interface that allows the user to connect with the database systems. This user interface is usually a tool or an API call which is used to fetch the required data for reporting or analyzing or for data mining process. Like now with which includes query reporting tools, analysis tools, etc. For example, trend analysis, prediction, etc. Few commonly used top tier tools are IBM Congos, Microsoft BI platform, SAP Business Object Web, Crystal Reports, SAP BW, SAS Business Intelligence. Now let's see what are the few benefits of multi-tier architecture in data warehouse is the scalability, ease of management, flexibility and security. You can secure each of the three tiers separately using different methods. Ease of manage means we can manage each tier separately by adding or modifying each tier without affecting the other tiers. Thank you.